Hi, hello, this is Fatima Nasrin. Welcome to Ekam IAS. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the important rivers, which is the Mekong River. So why we are discussing Mekong River is that in today's news there was an article stating that the Langsang Mekong Corporation, which is a group, and they are planning to meet at the central city of Bagan, which is in Myanmar. Also this city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So this group is planning to meet at Myanmar. So since this Langsang Mekong Corporation is mentioned in the news, and also the news is also talking about the Mekong River, so that is why we are discussing Mekong River, and also we'll also discuss regarding this Langsang Mekong Corporation. Followed by we'll talk about the importance of the Mekong River as well as why Mekong River is important for India. So these are the things that we are going to discuss in this video. So keep watching. So what is Langsang Mekong Corporation? So it is a multilateral initiative led by China between the riparian states of this Mekong River. Riparian states means the states that are bordering a particular river. That is riparian state. In this case, it is Mekong River. So it is an initiative led by China with the states means the countries that are bordering Mekong River. So the name is Langsang Mekong Corporation, right? So you know Mekong is a river by now. So Langsang is another name of Mekong, which is in Mandarin, which is a Chinese language, and this is the name for the Mekong in China, Langsang. So that is why Langsang Mekong Corporation, and it is a multilateral initiative by China. And let's see which are the member countries of this corporation. There are 6 members and they are Cambodia, China, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand and Vietnam. So that is it regarding Langsang Mekong Corporation. It was an initiative by China with the riparian states of Mekong River, and Langsang is a name for Mekong in China, and it contains 6 members. They are China, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand and Vietnam. Okay, that is it. Now let's move on to the Mekong River. So now let's discuss Mekong River. It originates from the Tibetan Plateau, and we have seen which are the countries through which this Mekong River passes, and this is the map of the Mekong River. It starts from the Tibetan Plateau, then it passes through China, then reaches the Myanmar-Laos border, then it passes through Laos-Thailand border, then it goes through Laos. Again it meets this Laos-Thailand border, then it reaches to Vietnam and Cambodia, then it drains to South China Sea. So this is South China Sea. So you have to know where this river drains into. So it is draining to the South China Sea. So these are the 6 countries. They are China, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia and Vietnam. So by keeping map, this is how you learn the river flow as well as the countries through which a particular river flow. In this case it is Mekong, and where this river drains into. Here it is South China Sea. Fine. So now you know through which countries the Mekong River flows and where it drains into. Alright, so as I have mentioned, the upper Mekong River which passes through the Chinese territory, there it is called the Langsang Jian, and the lower Mekong River which passes through the rest of the 5 countries, and the other importance is that it is rich in natural resources. So now we have seen the Langsang Mekong Corporation as well as the Mekong River. Now let's see why this Mekong River is important. So why Mekong River is important is that it is one of the important lifeline for the people of Southeast Asia, as well as it is one of the 8th longest river in the world, and it hosts very important species, large fish species such as giant river carp, freshwater stingray, Siamese giant carp and giant catfish. So once again I will show you the map. So this is the map of the Mekong River. See India. It is not passing through India. UPSC can make you confused, like they can say that it is passing through India. See, it is not passing through India. It starts from the Tibetan Glacier and it passes through China and it reaches the Myanmar-Thailand border. Then it turns to Laos. Then it reaches Laos-Thailand border. and again it goes to Laos, then it reaches to Cambodia, and it comes again, then reaches Vietnam. Finally, from Vietnam it drains into the South China Sea. Fine. I hope you are clear with the map. So here this called, in China, this Mekong river is called Langsang. Okay. Now let's continue with the importance of Mekong river. So as you can see, it is starting from the Tibetan plateau. So that means from a higher elevation. So a lot of dams can be built for hydroelectric projects, various hydroelectric projects. So because of that, this area or this river is in creating a lot of tension between the riparian states, and also building large number of dams can create or disturb the balance of ecological system in that particular area. So that is why it is always in news, and that is the other reason for us to study regarding this Mekong river. Fine. Then China has built around 10 dams on the upper Mekong, that means their region, in the Langsang region, and other states are also, other countries are also building their own dams, and it is disturbing the ecology of that particular area, and it is it is creating environmental threat to the people living in that particular area. So we have to study. That is one of the concern regarding this river and the construction of dams across this river. So we have to study regarding all these things, the map, especially the countries through which this river passes, the area or the sea to which the river drains into, etc. Fine. I'll show you a map. See this, see the number of dams. Can you see it? Okay, so these are the number of dams that been constructed on this Mekong river. You don't have to by heart, you don't have to study this dam's name and all. You just have to know that the issues associated with it. That's it. So as of now, we have seen the Langsang Mekong Corporation. Then we have seen regarding the Mekong river. Also, we have seen the importance of Mekong river. Now let's see how Mekong river is important for India. So for India, we have Mekong Ganga Corporation, which is an initiative between India and the 5 ASEAN countries, and they are Colombia, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand and Vietnam. So it is a grouping between India and the 5 ASEAN countries, and it is to promote the cooperation in 4 areas, especially the culture, the education, tourism and transport. So it is to enhance the connection between 2 countries, not 2 countries, the 6 countries, that is India plus 5 ASEAN countries, in 4 areas, that is culture, education, tourism and transportation. Why this Mekong Ganga Corporation? Because of the 2 important rivers in these countries, the Ganga as well as the Mekong. So that is so this is one of the significance for India regarding this Mekong river. So the key thing to note is that it is not between India and the whole ASEAN country. It is between India as well as the 5 ASEAN countries, and the 5 ASEAN countries through which, why 5 ASEAN countries? Because only through these 5 ASEAN countries this Mekong river flows. The other country is China, which is not part of ASEAN. Okay, so these are the things that you have to be keep in mind while you study regarding Mekong river. So now let's see a model question regarding Mekong river. It is a very easy question. If you have watched the video clearly, then it is easy for you to make this question right. So read the question and do elimination. It is a very easy question if you have paid attention. So try to answer it and write the answer in the comment section below. The answer, the explanation as well as the detailed material will be provided in our Telegram channel. So for the link to the Telegram channel will be given in the description. So go and check it. Then, and I hope you find this video helpful. So if you like it, just like the video and subscribe and share it with your friends. So thank you for watching.